Hello everyone. So today we will be learning about inheritance in Java. So what is inheritance? Inheritance can be defined as a process where one class acquires the property, methods and fields of another class. With the use of inheritance, the information can be made more manageable in a hierarchical order, we can say. So we have two classes here. One is a superclass, the other one is a subclass. The class which inherits the property of another is known as a subclass, or you can say derived class or a child class. And the class whose properties are inherited is known as superclass or base class or parent class, you can say. The next thing here to know is the use of extends keyword. So what extends keyword does, it is a keyword used to inherit the properties of a class. It will be more clear using this syntax. See, it is simple syntax where we have two classes. One is a superclass, the other one is a subclass. So in this class, we have used extends keyword. Class sub extends super. So basically what it is doing, it is extending the property of our superclass. Let's understand it much better with the help of the code. So here I've created a simple Java project and I've created two classes. Let me explain one by one. So first I have created a superclass. It is a simple class in which I have created two methods. One is the addition and the other one is for subtraction. So it basically takes in two arguments, both the methods, and gives us the result. The first one gives you the sum, the other one gives you the difference. Simple and easy enough, okay? And the next thing. Now we have the main class. So we have used extend keywords here. The main class sub extends super means it is inheriting the properties of our superclass. So every time you need to inherit the properties of a parent class or some other class, you need to use this keyword extends. Okay? Okay. Now we've created a method here which is multiplication, same as addition and subtraction, taking two arguments and giving us the results. Okay? Easy enough. Now in the main method, what I will do, I will create an object of my subclass. Now the question comes here, why am I creating an object of my subclass? Why not the superclass? So the reason behind it is, if you create an object of your superclass, you will be able to use just these two methods here. Okay? You won't be able to use this method, but if you create an object of your subclass, you will be able to use the methods you've created in your superclass and the method that's created here as well. The reason behind this is because the subclass is inheriting my superclass, so automatically it is inheriting the methods of my superclass. Okay, so let me create an object of my subclass. So the sub sb, you can name it anything you want, equals to new sub. Okay, now see, if I'll inherit the method here sb dot, you can see you'll find addition here, you'll find multiplication, and you'll find subtraction here. So now we are able to use all the three methods. So I'll say sb addition, sb dot subtraction, which was a method which these two methods have been declared in my superclass, not in my subclass, but still we are able to inherit them with the help of extends keyword. Okay, this is multiplication. So now in order to get my results, I need to give values to my variable, and a equals to, I will say 20, and b equals to 10. Okay, Now let's run it. Hopefully we'll get results. Yes, and we got the result. See, the sum is 30, the difference is 10, and the product is 200. So this is what our inheritance is all about. So now one more thing to note here is, why do we need inheritance? So the basic need of inheritance is because of reusability. Inheritance supports the concept of reusability. That is, if we want to create a new class and there is already a class that includes some of the code that we want. So in that case, we can derive our new class from the existing class. By doing this, we are reusing the fields and methods of my existing class. Okay, so that's all for inheritance. I suppose you guys must have understood this. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.